Great day, dear Bytecoin enthusiasts. It's Bytecoin Guru here, and in this video we'll be recovering a Bytecoin desktop wallet using its mnemonic. Welcome everyone. In this tutorial we'll be going over how to recover a Bytecoin desktop wallet that is either corrupted or lost using its mnemonic. As you guys might remember, what is a mnemonic? Mnemonic is a set of 24 words that are randomly generated that help you recover a lost or corrupted Bytecoin wallet file. So those, of course, you do not want anybody to know, and it very much matters how you write it. Of course, you want to write the words as they are in the order that they are. So let's go over and see how we can do that. So you have lost it, but you still have those 24 words. You're going to click on the app. You're going to go to Wallet and then Restore Amethyst Wallet from Mnemonic. You're going to write down all of your words down, and once you have them, click OK, and it's going to ask you for a place for you to put your file, your wallet file. You're going to set up the location, and you want to, of course, create a new password. And bam, you have the same wallet that you had before. Now, of course, remember, do not send any or receive any Bytecoins while this is happening. You definitely want to have your wallet synchronized just to cover all of your bases and make sure that nothing happens to your precious Bytecoins. And it was as easy as that, my friends. This is how you recover your desktop wallet using just a set of 24 words that, if you have the memory, you can actually keep in your brain. You can cover the whole world, and all of that can be in your brain. And all you have to do is just go to a computer, be able to access bytecoin.org, and be able to download the desktop wallet. As long as you can do that, you can restore your Bytecoins anywhere in the world. Bytecoin is the world's first private and untraceable cryptocurrency, and this is how you restore it from a mnemonic. You guys are awesome. I'll catch you on the next one.